Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Add Yours sticker not working on Instagram, or how to fix Add Yours sticker not showing on Instagram story. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into your App Store and check if Instagram needs updating. And if you have been in your App Store and your Instagram doesn't need updating, the other thing that I would recommend you do, as you can see, my Instagram needs updating, so I would update it. But another thing that you can also do, if you have updated Instagram and it still isn't there, as you can see here, if I should tap on the plus like you'll normally do, and then select story, and then for example I would like to set this as my story. If I should tap on the sticker icon, you can see that you don't see the Add Yours sticker right here. But what I would recommend you do is create another Instagram account. So you will tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on settings, and you would scroll down and you would tap on add account, and from there you would create another Instagram account, or you would add a second account. Because if I should go into my other account on this device, then tap on plus and upload a story and tap on the sticker icon, here you can see the Add Yours sticker. So I would recommend that you create another account, and then you will see it in that other account. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix Add Yours sticker not working or showing on Instagram stories.